What's up, YouTube? On this snowy, icy day, as y'all see behind me, I'm gonna talk about how I love volatility in the stock market, me personally, and I learned that from just Carvana stocks, certain stocks with Tesla, certain stocks with high volatility, and noticing some of them that, like Broadcom, has been having high volatility lately. I would want to say TSMC, but it's 50-50, but you need to know how to actually make how I'm making money through it is if you're seeing them, let's say Tesla. If you're seeing Tesla is down 10% today, that's the time to actually put money in. That's the only way you're gonna move through these markets and actually make money the right way. Because if you're buying on a high every time you put your money in, you're not gonna get no profit. Like Tesla had pulled back to 380, 350 the other day. Once it goes back to 425, you don't know if it's really going to go back to those numbers because of the volatility. It could go beyond. That's the whole point of it. That's how you make a lot more money, though. If you can manage the volatility, you can make easily millions. I'm going to just say for the people that's beginners, easily thousands. You see what I'm saying? Like Reddit right now, the volatility is new. The volatility of that right now is high. But guess what? It's a new company. Why not go ahead, like they said, if you would have bought it at $70 and rolled it up, think about that. But you would have had to been ready for those dips. Most people are like, man, the market's down today. Bro, I had to learn from my past experience. I was just telling somebody about literally. When Amazon had it split, when Google had it split in my portfolio, they had a split there at the lows now, whatever. Well, I forgot it was like 100 and something, both of them, whatever. Once those, I noticed Amazon has been up 50% for the year, last year. You need to ride that up because now, think about it, it's a new year. Do you think Amazon is gonna go up? Even if it goes up 10%, you need to start putting money in it and riding it up. Even though it could have, let's say it has more bad days. Those bad days, if you really believe in that stock or what you're doing, that's how you ride the wave up. You're buying the news. It's a lot of things we really can name. You could do your technical analysis. My technical analysis with the volatility would be looking at what were the old prices, what were the highs. Like I bought Kava just recent. Kava high was, when I looked at it yesterday, $150. I bought yesterday, 2 days ago, I bought Kava at like $116. Knowing I had been watching it, I don't really trust a lot of new stocks. But guess what? Not knowing it's about to go from $70 to, you see the difference? $150. But can you ride that wave up? Some of the stuff is going to be faster than others because you got your growth stocks. Your growth stocks are not moving like that. I'm not saying they're not, but the wave we're on now, quantum computing's moving like that. That's what, if you want to be able to handle volatility right now and get on the new wave, if you can handle quantum leaping right now, quantum computing, if you can handle the volatility of that right now, you can make money for the next 5 years, I can say, because that's the new wave. We've seen companies fail at AI for the last year to two. So you're still going to have companies still working on the AI. It's a whole lot right now. You're going to have to take in consideration what's new, what's old, what can you handle in your portfolio, what's moving your portfolio. Because I love, like right now, I got like 7 growth dividend stocks right now I'm looking at. I'm like, okay. And that's for my kids' portfolio. I mean, I don't have to worry about all the volatility because it's going to do what it does. But either way, I'm going to get my bonuses from those dividends. So it's some things I'm not going to have to worry about or factor, you know? So you got to figure out how you want to move in the market. And I promise you, if you can find the right investments, you're going to make thousands. You're going to make millions. The millions only if you're willing to stay down for it in the stock market. So figure out which stock you want to invest in for the next, let's say 5 years, and really load up on it. When you see those big dips, load up, because that's when you're going to be, I promise you, 2 years later, a year later, you're going to be like, damn, I could have did better. That's the whole point of doing the stock market, doing crypto, to get better. Don't be doing this if you're just going to half-ass it. I promise you, you're going to get those type of results. But appreciate y'all. Y'all going to like, comment, subscribe to this video. In my next video, I'm going to show you what's the new moves I made.